Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Yes, Mama. So I have a donation from the Russian crew from the UK. Russian crew from Waterhouse in the UK. $5,000. Check that look. Yeah, so that's the Russian crew from the UK. Waterhouse.
Alright. Thank you, Russian youth, for add something to this choice, and may Father God bless you and keep you, and may God never make the food basket empty, and thank the condolence them who are sent out to help this choice.
Yeah, and we also have another one from God's Child from Brooklyn, New York. $12,000 from God's Child, Brooklyn.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah. So that's from God's Child from Brooklyn.
Thank you, God's Child from Brooklyn to send in a donation. Gonna see the situation in this choice, and Father God bless you and keep you and open the basket will never empty. And thank the whole and Kino also highlight we that we can help to and help this choice. Thank you.
Yes, we also have $3,000 from a friend from Greenwich Town. Friend from Greenwich Town, count it.
1, 2, 3.
That's a friend from Greenwich Town.
Thank you, a friend from Greenwich Town for Miss Joyce. And hope Father God bless you and keep you, and hope the basket will ever be as you can send something more.
Yeah. So blessings and give thanks. So big up yourself. Tired. A friend Miss Joyce, when you tell them thanks. When you tell them thanks.
Yeah.
I say thanks to the donor them.
Yeah.
And God bless them.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
And those, as I said, let's go and pray and hope for everything will go alright, yeah?
Yeah.
So, but worry yourself, we're going to try and get things sorted out for you. Yeah?
Yeah.
So God bless you. And all the fear, because we'll continue, we'll walk around and see me, and we'll come back and check you, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright then, big up yourself, man.
Jesus.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah, mama.
And don't worry yourself, because we are coming back.
When you worry,
We have a worry too.
Yeah.
So Father God, I'm hoping that way, as long as everything possible, I have like said we will do everything possible for you. And just thank the condolence them and bless them.
Jesus.
Thank the donor them.
The donor them.
Yeah. Keep them and doing it. Alright, mama, yeah? So you'll soon back soon.
Thank you.
Alright.
yeah, more blessing.
Blessing. Marvin.
Blessing. See? Yeah?
Yeah.
Give me my hug. Rose a rose.
Just reaching.
Yes. That boy is
The t-shirt looking.
Yes.
I'm there. The corona thing, you know?
yeah.
Oh, we talk.
It was hard. Yeah. Yeah.
Summertime. Big man Tata.
Oh, Tata, the place nice, man. Smell the place nice, Tata, man. Blessing, my father. Place smell nice, man.
Tata. Blessings to family.
Fun. The more better now, the more cooler now.
You're cool, man.
Yeah,
Like
we can
you
feel
see.
the breeze, man.
Like you see there. Tata. Everything alright?
So far,
So
yeah.
far.
I have like
Love life.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Chinny, everything alright?
Ginny.
Diane.
Yeah.
So I will look at donation for you. And also for Chinny. And also for Diane. You know, so people that are blessing up same way. So you know everything go. So I have $5,000 for your Tata from the Overcomer from New York. So the Overcomer, they can say the Overcomer.
Far away.
Far away from New York.
New York.
Yeah.
$5,000. Count it, let them see.
How much that, Dada?
The count it,
Right.
It look like 5?
Look like,
Open your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright.
Say thanks from the Overcomer.
So that's from the Overcomer from New York.
From
Overcomer.
the Overcomer.
Yeah.
From New York.
From New York. Yeah, so blessings and give thanks to Overcomer for this donation for Tata. Maximum respect for him seeing me. Tata, you are a grow man. I get 2K you know.
No, the barber, the person come trim him today, you know.
Oh, my trim
Because
today.
he feel well, you know, so I just
Yeah.
have to just go and wait.
Yeah, the barber must not feel so well.
Oh, okay, see. And as I must say, people them still contact me, so I'm try to send off the Pampas them. I think that they're coming now when I feed them family barrel, so hopefully when they come down we can get some Pampas team as well.
Yeah.
Too. You know, so hopefully that come true. So, Diane, this is from the Overcomer as well too. So the dead film, you know, kindly just I got a $2,000.
Yeah.
Him say he can buy yourself a little drink.
Thanks very much, Overcomer, and God bless you all.
Yeah. And also Chinny, the same thing, $2,000 from the Overcomer.
God bless, really appreciate it. Maximum respect and thanks a lot.
Yeah.
So you don't know them like the good deed when I do for Tata.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, man.
Because if you never do it, I don't think nobody else would have do it. So
No,
maybe I just
that's
another
true.
person for do it. So down along the line, I know if one blessings are come see me for the great
Yeah,
things
for
when I
real.
do.
Man.
You see me?
I know
So,
people don't know that money, you know. Because a man in a really too, you know, socialize with people and things
Yeah.
from road to inside, you know.
yeah,
But can't make sure that a rare is here.
yeah.
Can
You
need
understand?
it.
Yeah, man. Look
The
fresh,
Tata,
you
so
know?
them, I love how them keep your healthy, you know, fresh.
Yeah.
So, them I watch over you, see me like a father God I watch over you.
Yeah.
So it's a good thing, it's a blessing, you know.
Yeah, bless you.
So people are continue to reach out, so once them reach out, they are continue to see me. So you always see my face. I understand, so when just go on with the faith, see me. Yeah man, you pray when you're ready?
Yeah, once in a while.
Once in a while. You have to do it more time,
Yeah.
more often now, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. So as I say, the blessings are going to come in for you. Yeah? So just give up yourself, see me. And we'll see you back again. Boom. Chinny.
Yes, man.
Yeah?
Many
Big up on
times.
yourself,
Yeah,
many
yeah.
times.
Kino, good life here. Keep it up. See, yeah.
See you way.
Log in all the time.
Yeah. You know the thing though.
Yeah.
The good deed. We don't start with the good deed, you understand?
For real.
So somebody have to do it and probably we have to do it. So
True, true.
So if you answer that calling. So we're not stop. So it's a journey and we are continuing it. Yeah, Tata, let's go on with the strength same way.
Yeah, man,
So
let's
you
keep
definitely
it
see me
same,
again.
Tata. You look fresh.
Fresh.
Thank you. You look fresh, Tata. Nah, like you look more.
Up to date.
Up to date.
I hear pretty white and pretty.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Let's keep it going same way.
Alright, Tata.
Alright.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
Yeah, man.
But it's a Tata bathroom.
yeah.
It's a rough time.
Yeah.
Like when them made him slide in near the slide.
Yeah, man. So this is one start up, man. So Tata bathroom this.
Yeah, man.
And tile it down.
Oh, God.
So then try, so we're gonna beg the people them to reach out for Tata. So we can get him bathroom because he can't want black up some more.
Yeah, I mean, like for putting foot in.
And to step over. Yeah. Yeah. And it is too open for him as well as for a big man, you know.
Fire anytime too.
Yeah, and him decide tile it. Tile it and sort out as well too, man. So like a pallet and them good thing there. So we can beg the donor them for reach out for Tata so we can sort out him make a bathroom for him and him tile it cause. Yeah.
Look at time God give on earth, you want to enjoy it.
Yeah, for real. Cause this really need to go up.
Yeah, man,
It's a
nobody here,
bathroom,
man,
yeah.
look man, cause all him face and the iron and me say, you know.
Yeah.
You know, I want him slide.
Yeah, cause
And when I put over him foot, he have enough energy.
to bring over him food.
I'm not see what we can.
Yeah, we're gonna see what can go on and all the people them kind of reach out and give it the strength. Cause they just need couple blocks, you see me, and couple cement and we just deal with it and give him a little door.
Yeah.
Then can have, cause we have to go move that so now if you step over it.
Get it more flat.
No, here one more flat can come right here, since that can move. Because when the water
Yeah.
flash out.
How Kino them that do it? This is that come down so that
Till I come down, man, cause you don't want him to step down.
Instead of step I go
Yeah.
it does
Can
walk
step
away.
in.
Yes,
The shower curtain now, yes. Them, so the builder will know, man. So we get the builder to look upon it and then him that tell we want what we that need. You understand? Cause that really need to do. Isn't it? Really need to do. You have to catch him more there. Yes, man. Cause even them steal are dangerous. You know?
Yeah.
Tell them to just put some back over it for time.
Yeah.
Plastic back.
Yeah. Alright then, we are going to see what go on. You know, hopefully people them kind of consider and reach out for you, you know?
Yeah.
So we can get that sorted out. Because that's all that's soak already.
But look, 1, 2 though, better facility.
Yeah. Don't play a game now.
Yeah, that's some football, you know?
Yeah. Everything, Prince with a big smile.
Yeah, see them.
Yeah. Chef.
Yeah, man, you see me?
Hot.
Yeah, man, you see it?
Hot.
You pull it down for all that beard right now, you see me, I said?
Yeah.
Poof. You see me?
Hot.
Yeah, man.
Ever hot.
That's Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
You know, cool them right now, New York City, in the cool part.
So them place are here, place New York.
Man,
New
straight
York.
yeah, you know. Twice, told me, I tell you now. Twice.
New York. Yeah. You don't know, Jane. That's some donation for you. Yeah, so I have Corey from the UK. $5,000 from Corey from the UK. Yeah.
Respect Corey. All the blessings and respect us in our hand. Give thanks a lot.
Yeah.
And love.
I know. I also have what is now Overcomer in New York, $7,000 from the Overcomer, New York. New York, New York.
Overcomer, no? Respect overcomer. Only for respect and honor. You see them, brother? Give thanks a lot for this one. That's it, thank you. A lot, right? I see it, so blessings. Yeah.
So there. And you also have Solomon, Jean and Solomon from Birmingham, UK. Birmingham, Jean and Solomon. $4,000.
Jean and Solomon. Again, give thanks. Only for love and respect. Honor every time I see it. Give thanks. Blessings.
Alright then. Yeah, so Prince. Yeah, so Prince, $4,000 from Jean and Solomon from the UK.
Big up yourself, Jean and Solomon. Much love, much strength. Guide and protect them, you know?
Yeah.
4.
Yeah. Jean and Solomon.
Big up yourself, Jean and Solomon. Guide and protect them.
Yeah. Marvin. This is from Miss Bev from the US. $4,000 from Miss Bev.
Miss Bev, give thanks, you know, and bless you, you know. Most I guide you, you know, because you see the journey we are doing, you know. Bless you, Miss Bev.
Yeah. And you also have Jean and Solomon as well to Marvin from Birmingham. $2,000.
Jean, Solomon, you don't know what a blessing and loving and respect. Most I bless you, you know. Give thanks.
Delgado, Chef. This is from the Overcomer. Same here from New York. $2,000.
Man, Overcomer man from New York, you know, Overcomer, you know. Respect for that program, you know.
Yeah.
You got yourself an Overcomer.
That's from Overcomer.
Respect your Overcomer.
Yeah.
Man, love we are for you know. Overcomer.
And you also have Jean and Solomon as well too. $4,000 from Jean and Solomon.
Jean and Solomon. 4,000. Come like God, you know. Solomon gun there, see me. Respect your Solomon. Jean and Solomon, respect everybody, you see me.
Yeah.
All for blessing, you know. See? Respect you for that, you Jean and Solomon. Only for blessing. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You know. Only for party and put on, you know, or tomorrow or Sunday, you know.
Yeah.
See nothing Solomon.
Eyes and peace.
Yes.
So I give thanks to the people that are donate again once more.
Yeah, man, to everybody.
Big up all donors, man, you see him, no?
Big up all donors, you see. Bless you in the world, you see. Give thanks.
Yeah.
Respect for all who donate, yeah. Respect the people, you know. Yeah. Happy big up yourself, you know. Yeah. Hear that? Don't know, you see, apple pie.
Yeah.
Don't stop calling him, you know.
Straight.
Yeah, man.
Apple pie, apple pie.
Real life, nah, stop calling him a real life.
Yeah.
Respect for me and fear, you know. Night nurse. A lot of people big up everybody, night nurse, everybody, yeah.
Yeah.
Respect and honor everybody, love on you know.
Sure.
Everybody, respect and honor.
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I want love, man. I see you Kino to everybody. Again, what a blessing, you see?
Yeah.
Give thanks a lot for this, and we don't know, from the journey till now, it's a good look, you see, brother?
Yeah.
Right now, you can see the thing, up and running, so. Yeah, man, I want love to everybody from doing it from now to, you see me? What love, respect, everybody.
Alright,
Yeah, man,
see
give thanks a lot, man. I see it.
Yeah, so I don't know, we're continuing the journey.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah, man, bless the world, man. Always bless the world, man. The world, everyone already see me, you know.
Yeah.
This is how we give thanks to the world, one of the food, you know. Bless them, man.
See that?
Just want to be safe and protect themselves out there, you know, brother?
Yeah.
Because you don't know them go through a lot too, you know, see it? So, you man, hold for respect and protect yourself out.
Be safe, man. That's always be safe out there, you see?
Yeah.
You see me? Be safe, man. Come like
Safety,
safety, you know. Always be safe, yeah?
Yeah.
Body, man, respect, honor, love from the people.
Yeah.
Respect, yeah.
Sure. Prince.
Yeah, big up all those that are big, we're happy.
Yeah, man. Sorry to say.
So see you,
Yeah, sure. One say happy. That's the thing for happy in real life, you know the thing though.
Glad to see that there's no brother.
Yeah man, no joke about it.
All for blessing and love. Yeah. Everyone.
See them.
Guide and protection.
Yeah.
One love.
Alright, one love.
I'm only going to cover it.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better day.